Hello, my name is DeQuandra Brown, and this is my Assets Mapping presentation on Robeson County substance abuse. Here to my left, I have a legend, and I have it color coordinated, and I have categories broken down into categories. I have mental health, treatment centers, medical service, self-care, recreation, spirituality, nature, arts and craft. And as you see, mental health is in a dark blue, treatment centers are in yellow, medical service are in orange, self-care are in purple, recreation is in red, spirituality is in gray, nature is in green, arts and craft is in like a more darker burgundy purplish. But all of my categories have a meaning associated. I associate blue with mental health because I feel like that best fits mental health. I use yellow for treatment centers because that fits that best. Medical service, orange. Self-care, a more pop color, is purple. Recreation, I think about fire, so recreation. Spirituality is a gray that will fit that, like, the spirit-wise. Nature, associated with green, because when you walk outside, you see trees, blue, but green is more nature for me. And arts and craft. And as we go up, I will explain my map. And the reason why I did my map on substance abuse because our younger generation are more stuck on that side, and we need to find more resources other than treatment centers, something that they can enjoy to draw them away. So in mental health, we have Robeson Family Counseling, we have RH Behavior Health, Alternate Care Treatment, Stephens Outreach Center, Advanced Behavior Health, Monarch, RHA Health Services. And when we click on Robeson Family Counseling Center, which is right here in the blue, we click on Monarch, which is over here in the blue, which is located in Lumberton. Both of those are located in Lumberton. And when we click on R8 Health Services, which is right here, that is more located in the Madison area. And as we scroll down with the treatment centers, which is in yellow, we have Lumberton Treatment Center, North Carolina Youth Violence Prevention Center, but the Lumberton Treatment Centers is here in yellow, which is located in Lumberton, obviously. Then we have the North Carolina Youth Violence Prevention Center, and they help with substance use as well, which is in yellow and is located in Lumberton. We have medical services. We have Robeson Healthcare Corporation. We have Palmer Prevention, Southeastern Regional Medical Center, Lumberton Health Center. And all these are in orange. When we click on Palmer Prevention, this is located in Pembroke, North Carolina. And the Lumberton Health Center, obviously, is right here and it's located in Lumberton. When we scroll down to self-care, we have Planet Fitness, we have Pembroke Library, Robeson County Library, Hector Library, Mary Livermore Library, Library Gilbert Patterson, Roland Public Library, and the one that stand out to me is the UNCP Library, because many people realize they're not allowed to go to it, but this is a good resource to put up here for self-care, because self-care not just like, I want to relax, exercise. It's more to, I can read a book, so that's why I incorporate all the libraries from Red Springs, Roland, Pembroke, And when we scroll down to recreation, we have the Boys and Girls Club, Lumberton Golf Course, which is located right here in Lumberton with the little point. When we scroll down, we have spirituality. We have East Lumberton. We have East Lumberton Baptist Church, First Baptist Church, Trinity United Methodist Church, Oak Grove Baptist Church, Pembroke First Baptist Church, Mount Olive Pentecostal Holiness, Roland Westside Baptist Church, St. Joseph MRC Solid Rock Church. And these are all in Red Spring, Roland, Pembroke, all the churches, as you can see right here, socialized in the gray. I'm showing you the points on the map, as you can see. And in Lumberton, it was 89 churches, so if I would like to include all of them, it would be a lot that I'm reading off of. So I just put a few from Lumberton, a few from Roland, a few from Red Springs, and etc. When we look at the nature, we have Luther Brick Park, James L. Stephen Memorial Park, the Godwins Heights Community Park, Lumber River River Trail, Lumber River State Park, Lumber River State Park, wide pasture access. And as you see, if I click on this, this is the Lumber River State Park. And as me going down right here, if I click on it, that is the Godwins Heights Community Park. And as I scroll further down, that's the Lumber River State Park. And if I go back over here and click on this, this is the James L. Memorial Park. Like, nature can help you cope, just to go out there and explore, can get your minds off things. So nature is a good resource to the youth as a prevention for coping with substance abuse in youth. Also, arts and craft, we have exploration of station, Inner Peace Gallery. We have exploration station in Lumberton, which you see right here. We have the Inner Peace Gallery, which you see right here. As you can see, in the Robeson County substance abuse, it lacks needs of arts and craft, and I target the youth population, as you can see. And I hope that later on in the future, that with the arts and craft, we can bring more to the youth later on in the future, more arts and craft that they're allowed to do to draw them in instead of like drawing them out. We need something more of arts and craft that's going to get their mind just stuck and focus on there so they can enjoy it. And this is the end of my access mapping presentation, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.